Magandang araw sa lahat. I was consulted by a widow regarding their property, a piece of land. Well, she claims that that piece of land was given to them as husband and wife or donated to them by reason of marriage. Now, after the celebration of their marriage, they separated from each other. Of course, they have children. Now, recently, her husband died. So, he's asking if still she has a share of that property, a piece of land donated to her husband and to herself. Well, the answer is yes. Now, since their marriage was celebrated before August 3, 1988, then their property relations is governed by the Civil Code of the Philippines, denominated as a conjugal partnership of gains. So, how much then is her share? It should be 1/2 of the value of that piece of land. Being a conjugal property, 1/2 of the value belongs to her. But how about the other half? Well, the other half belongs to their children and to herself, right? So, the widow and their children shall divide the property, or if it is sold, the gross estate or the value of the property equally. So, ito yung nangyari, mga kababayan. Itong widow, nagpakasal nga sila bago ang effectivity ng Family Code of the Philippines noong August 3, 1988. So, matagal na silang kasal at nagkahiwalay nga. At dumating sa punto na namatay na itong husband. Kaya ang tanong niya, paano yung property na na-donate or ibinigay sa kanila, mag-asawa? Meron pa daw ba siyang share? At syempre, meron. Kasi nga, conjugal property yan. At magkanong share niya? Kalahati ng halaga ng lupa na yan. Sa kanya yun. Paano yung kalahati? Yung kalahati naman ay estate ng husband niya. At paghahatian ng balod, the widow, at ng kanilang mga anak equally. Okay. So, ulitin ko, dahil ang kasal nila ay naganap bago ng August 3, 1988 or before the effectivity of the Family Code of the Philippines, ang batas na umiiral sa kanilang property relation bilang mag-asawa ay ang Civil Code of the Philippines. Ang tawag sa property relation nila ay conjugal partnership of gains. Okay, sana na kapag lingkod na naman itong aming tanggapan para sa kaalaman ng maraming mamamayang Pilipino, specifically itong conjugal property ng mag-asawa na ibinigay sa kanila, na donate sa kanila by reason of marriage. Maraming salamat at magandang araw sa lahat.